Are you planning to buy hosting from Hostinger in 2025 and want to save some extra money? In this video, I'll quickly show you step-by-step how to apply a Hostinger coupon code the right way so you get the maximum discount. First, go to the Hostinger website and choose the hosting plan that fits your needs. Most people go with the premium or business plan because it offers more features at a better value. Once you've selected your plan, click to add it to your cart. Now, on the checkout page, you'll see a box where you can enter a coupon code. This is the place where many people get confused, but it's really simple. Just type in your coupon code, click apply, and you'll immediately see the total price drop with the discount added. Before you complete the purchase, double-check the billing cycle. Hostinger gives the biggest savings on longer terms like 12 months, 24 months, or even 48 months. Choosing a longer plan not only saves you money now, but also locks in your discount for years. Once you're happy with the plan and discount, enter your payment details and complete the order. That's it. You've successfully applied your Hostinger coupon code and saved money. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe because I'll be sharing more simple tutorials and tips to get the best deals online. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to help.